Yo, what's good? It's St. Joe, machinetutorials.com, here with the 2.7.3 update. I know there's a lot of different things going on, but for me, the main part of the update that I was excited about or I was happy to see is loop recording. I've been asking for loop recording inside of Machine for probably since it came out, since '09, man. Just because of my workflow, I like to capture loops and keep moving. And so when they came out with the audio module in the last update, I was like, okay, it's cool, but I want to be able to record into it. So I've just been kind of waiting for that. The update in Native Access says it came out on the 27th of March. I just installed it today, so I'm not sure if it came out today or this week or something. I just opened up the Native Access when I was opening up Machine just to see if there was any updates. And it was in there. So what this means is that if you're in the record section and in addition to sync and detect mode, you now have loop, which is awesome because it automatically loops, puts it in a looper module, and it automatically plays it back when it's done recording, so you can just keep moving, which is dope for me. So I'm gonna just kind of show you how it works. Let's I don't know, man. Maybe we'll do some drums or something. So basically, when you're in sampling, you would just set your mode. So I want to be in loop mode, and I want to sample. Mine's is on 2 and 3. So it's kind of like sync mode is that if it's playing, it'll wait until the next bar and then start recording. But if you're just starting off, you just press start. I'm gonna do it on this pad right here. So how long do we want to make it? Let's make it 2 bars. So we'll choose 2 bars, and then I'll just press start. What's dope about this and how I like to work is I can keep going, and the way they set it up, you can just press, new pads and keep recording. You don't even have to have the sequencer going, and you don't have to hit record. You just press start, it'll come back around. So I'll just add some hi-hats or something to it so you can see how it works. I'm just stopping just to kind of explain what's going on. But this is really my workflow. This is how I like to work. I like to just capture audio into something and just keep going. So if I wanted to pull up something from the iPad, I don't know what yet. Maybe we'll do something like the new Moog joint. I would just keep going, like maybe I open up a piano or something, man. I don't know. We'll see. That's what I've been looking for so long, just in terms of how it relates to Machine and really anything I use. I just like to capture the audio really quickly. And the way they have it set up inside of the new update is really dope because you can just keep adding them to the pads. Just press start. It'll automatically start on the next bar. You can just record once it's done, and you can change the length. I just did everything in 2 bars, but you can actually go through and change the length. You know what I'm saying? And they can be however many bars you want. You know, I can have some be 2 bars, some be 4 bars, some be 8, and it'll just keep going, man. For me, that's a really dope workflow. Hopefully, they continue to improve it and make it so you can actually go in and actually edit the audio, like, you know, maybe have some different editing options in there with the audio. Maybe you want to normalize or, you know, fade in, fade out, whatever it is that you want to do with the audio, that would be dope. But for me, in my workflow, I've been waiting for this loop record for a really long time, so that's definitely one of the features I was happy to see when I installed this update. Like I said, it said March 27th. I don't know if that's when it came out or not. I just seen it in there today, so I just installed it, started messing with it, figured I'd record a video, kind of show you guys my workflow and why I've been talking about this type of feature for so long. So hopefully they keep improving it, but again, really cool to have that audio looping in there, at least for me and how I like to work. And I would just keep going. And the fact that I don't have to really change anything on Machine itself, I can just keep going through the different pads. I can build up 16 tracks in one group, you know, of audio and just keep going, never having to really touch anything but start, you know what I'm saying, and change the loop size if I want to do that. So for me, that's really dope. Hopefully they continue to improve it and make it, you know, more fully featured in terms of editing audio. But of course, if you guys got questions, let me know. This is St. Joe, machinetutorials.com. See y'all later. Peace.